Hello and welcome back to Kakepipe Automotive. Today we've got the move of the Polo. We've finally put it in its new temporary place. We've got a bit of moving about to do, got a few cars to shift about and that, but I've been given permission to use part of a unit, so I don't have to keep working on the drive and getting cold and wet, although starting today in the car because it is freezing outside. So let's crack on, get these cars moved, get the Polo in its place, and then we'll run through what we're going to do today. So temporary, the Polo has been stored in here. Here she is, after, if the camera stays still, after it came back from Tyre and Tech in Lincoln. They did a few bits for me. Let's get it moved out, get a few cars swapped around, and then we'll start stripping it down for the roll cage. So here she is in her new home. It's not the biggest of spaces, but it's not wet, it's not cold. Well, sort of not cold, but it gives us somewhere to work on the car. I can come and go as I please, and let's get some work done. So the plan for today is, I think we're gonna strip out the dash, the seats, pull the wiring back to the bulkhead, and see whereabouts we get with that, just so we're ready for the cage when it turns up, which is going to be at some point soon, hoping in a couple of weeks. So yeah, let's get started. So now we've flopped the dash, I'm just going to go through and take off odd brackets. I've already started here, so we'll just spot weld drill it, and then what I'll do is I'll grind them flat. I've started up here as well, so I've taken this one off, and yeah, I'm just going to go through, take a few of these odd bits off that are just redundant now, tidy it up a little bit, and then we'll be ready for the cage, and we will be golden. So these are the seat rails now in. I've only put a few bolts in just for now, because they're going to have to come back out again. But as you can see, they are fully welded plates with then what they call a counter plate to the end of the rail, which is then bolted. Then you've got the bit that the seat sits on, which is welded to the rail as well. Then you've got the slug that goes right the way through. It's welded on the underside under here, so then the bolt just bolts straight through. And then you can put the side mount straight on. So those are the side mounts. They're just bolted through each of the holes straight in, and then the flat section just gives it something to sit on. So that that then concludes putting the seat rails in. I think next thing for the Polo is a good tidy up, a good hoover out, because we've got swarf everywhere, and then getting ready for the cage, which turns up in about a week's time. A few little bits cut out, as I said I was going to do earlier, so these cut out here, cut the odd seat mount out as well. Potentially I think I might just cut the old wheel well out and put a flat floor in, but that's it's not really necessary. If I get around to it, I'll do it, but we'll see. So we'll see you when we've got some more progress. Cheers.